In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically forward all emails from Gmail to a Yahoo email account. By the end, your Gmail will seamlessly send new messages to your Yahoo inbox, so you can keep everything in one place without manually checking both accounts. Start on a computer and sign into your Gmail account. In the upper right corner, click the gear icon to open Settings, then choose See All Settings. Along the top, find the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab. This is where Gmail controls how your mail is handled behind the scenes. Click Add a forwarding address and type your Yahoo email address carefully. Gmail will immediately send a verification to that Yahoo address. This is a security step to make sure you own the destination mailbox and to prevent accidental or unauthorized forwarding. Open a new tab, sign into your Yahoo email, and look for the confirmation message from Gmail. Open it and either click the verification link inside or copy the confirmation code provided. If you don't see the message right away, give it a minute and check your spam or junk folder. Head back to your Gmail settings page. If prompted, paste the confirmation code to complete verification. Once Gmail recognizes the Yahoo address, select the option that says Forward a copy of incoming mail to your Yahoo address. Right next to that, pick what should happen to the copy that stays in Gmail. You can keep Gmail's copy in the inbox, archive it to keep things tidy, or delete it if you truly want everything moved out. Most people choose to keep a copy, so you always have a backup in Gmail. Scroll down and click Save Changes. This part is easy to miss, but it's essential. Your forwarding won't start until you save. If you don't want every single email forwarded, you can optionally use filters to forward only specific messages, like those from certain senders or with particular keywords. This is a great way to control what lands in your Yahoo inbox without overwhelming it. Finally, confirm that forwarding works. Send a quick test email to your Gmail address and check your Yahoo inbox to make sure it arrives there. Remember, forwarding applies to new messages going forward. It won't move old emails automatically. And that's it. Your Gmail is now forwarding to Yahoo, giving you a simpler, more centralized inbox. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.